The next topic what we're going to learn about soil pollution. Soil is a thin layer of organic and inorganic material that covers the earth's rocky surface. Soil constitutes the upper crust of the earth, which supports land, plants, and animals. So, soil pollution is defined as the buildup of persistent toxic compounds, radioactive materials, chemical salts, and disease causing agents in soils which have harmful effect on plant growth and animal health. So, soil pollution affects the structure and fertility of soil, groundwater quality, and food chain and biological system. So, what are the sources of soil pollution? The major source of the soil pollution are number one, artificial fertilizers and pesticides. Then apart from that, these are the major. Then apart from that, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, industrial waste. Now, what is the cause of the artificial fertilizer? Soil nutrients are useful for growth of plants. Plants obtain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen from air or water, whereas the other essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur being absorbed from soil. So, to remove the deficiency of nutrition in soil, farmers add artificial fertilizers. Increased use of phosphate fertilizers or excess use of artificial fertilizers like NPK in soil results in reduced yield in that soil because of that artificial fertilizers. Next, pesticides. Number one is artificial fertilizer. Number two, pesticides. Pesticides are the chemicals that are used to kill or stop the growth of unwanted organisms. These pesticides can affect the health of human beings such as headaches, nausea, cancer, and also contaminate root crops like carrot, radish, etc. Then these are the major. Then the minor, insecticides. Insecticides like DDT, BHC, Aldrin, they stay in soil for long period of time and absorbed by soil. They contaminate root crops like carrot, radish, etc. Fungicide. Next, fungicide. Organomercury compounds are used as most common fungicide. They dissociate in soil to produce mercury, which is highly toxic. Next, herbicides. Herbicides are the chemical compounds used to control unwanted plants, otherwise called as wood killers. Sorry, not wood killers, weed killers. Example, sodium chlorate, NaClO3, sodium arsenite. Most of the herbicides are toxic to mammals. Next, industrial waste. Waste. Industrial activities have been the biggest contributor to the soil pollution, especially mining and manufacturing activities. Large number of toxic waste are released from industries. So, industrial waste includes cyanides, chromates, acids, alkalis, metals like mercury, copper, zinc, cadmium, lead, etc. These industrial waste in the soil surface lie for a long time and make it unsuitable for use.